Hi guys, this is Devansh again. In this session, I will be covering resourcing and costing. It is in line with my overall training on MPP. Here, I will be covering resourcing and costing in a very like in a very brief way, in a shortcut, right? So this is the project that we were working on. Project initiation, gathering until handover. These are our start date, end date. This is my duration auto calculated. These are the predecessors. These all are automatically defined, right? Now, if I have to add the resource, I can add, let me drag it, project initiation, requirement gathering, and team building. So these two are actually subtask under it. Okay. So what I can do is who is going to take the requirement? I can type person A. I can type some name here, maybe Tony. I can type like this. But I don't want to do this. This is not the right way. Let me go to view, see the entire project. So the reason why I clicked on entire project is because I want you to see how it is defining over here, right? Let me drag it. Let me drag it over here. I hope it is visible. Yeah. So I can keep on typing the name over here, but this is not the right way. What you should do is we should actually go to the resource sheet. How will we do that? We will actually go to this arrow Gantt chart. Sorry, go to task, go to Gantt chart, go to resource sheet. As we had added manually Tony there, it is reflecting here. But the right way is you go to task, click on Gantt chart, come to source sheet. You will have a blank sheet. Right now we see Tony. So let me edit the name Tony Stark. Okay. Another name is Pepper Potts. Another is, let's say, Jack Dawson. Another is Rose. And let me do it this way. This fine. Okay. Now I can automatically, it takes the first letter, first alphabet as initial. I will make it JD and TS and pepper pots. Here it defines that it is 100% allocated. Standard rate for Jack Dawson is $50, for Rose is $50, for Tony is $150 per hour, for Pepper Potts is 150. Or rate is also the same. If they work overtime, it's the same rate that they're getting or they are charging, right? Now I can assign them partial also. This is important if we are working as a program manager and I'm using shared resources. I'm not going that topic right now. I can assign a code. Code could be full-time worker, and contract worker, or I can assign teams like finance team, HR team, kind of. And this way, our resource sheet is ready. Now I can go to Gantt chart, and here you see automatically the first person whom we had named has come here, Jack Dawson. Who is doing the requirement gathering? Requirement gathering is done by not Jack, but Tony Stark. Team building is done by Pepper Potts. Project planning is done by Jack. Execution is done by all four. Or let me remove Tony. And review is done by Tony. Project demo is also done by Tony. Handover is done by Tony. And this way, we have assigned our resources. Now, how do I check the cost? For that, I add a new column. I can, from the new column, I can click on it and I can click on this drop down and I can look for cost right here, cost. Now, as in the resource sheet, I had added my cost, it automatically calculates and gives me the cost. The overall cost of each task is given here 2400, 1200, requirement gathering and team building, which is 3600, right? So this is how it is getting calculated. Tony Stark is charging 150 into 8 into 2. So this is how it is calculating. Let's open calculator, and how it is calculating Tony Stark is for requirement gathering task, it is costing 2400. Why? Because Tony Stark is charging $150 per hour into 8. So this is for one day. And he is working for 2 days. You see, into 2, into 2. So it comes 2400, right? And in the same way, in how do I cancel? Okay, cancel. In the same way, Pepper Potts, her hourly rate is 50. She's working for 8 hours because she's 100% allocated and she is doing team building for 3 days into 3. So that's how I get 1200. The 2400 plus 1200, I am getting 3600. So this is costing 3600. Now, if I go to format and so right now I don't know what is the overall cost of the project, right? Let me go to view and click on entire project so that you see as soon as we assign the resources, we can see the name of these resources working against the task. Now I want to know what is the overall cost. So I can add this, I can add this, or I can just forget about it and add this. How do I do it? I come to format, I click on project summary. Now, when I click on project summary, it gives a name MPP training one, which is my file name. I can change this name. It's up to you what you want to name it. Now, this becomes my summary task. Under summary task, I have this main task, project initiation one. Under this, I have the subtask, and then these are the tasks. Now, it automatically tells me that this project is going to charge me or cost me $20,000, and in that, this task is costing me 3,600. Project planning is costing me 800 because there's one resource. This is costing me 8,400 because there are three resources working. So you can actually calculate. Give me a moment. So cancel this. This $50 into three resource, right? Or we can do it in a different way. Rate for first person plus rate for second person plus rate for third person. I get this much is the hourly rate which I'm spending into 8. All are working for 8 hours into 8. So 1200 every day. And they are working for 7 days into 7. This is how I'm getting 8400 over here. Okay. All right, guys. Hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.